Have you ever dreamed of being your own boss? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore 10 business ideas, all with their own unique benefits. First up, consider starting a dropshipping store. In this digital age, an online store is a fantastic way to sell products without having to worry about holding inventory. The supplier handles all the shipping while you reap the benefits. It's cost-effective, low risk, and allows you to offer a wide range of products. Next, there's social media management. As businesses strive to stay relevant in the digital world, many need help managing their social media accounts. Providing this service saves businesses valuable time and helps them reach new audiences. Then there's content creation. Businesses are constantly looking to enhance their online presence through blog posts, videos, or graphics. If you're creative, this could be your perfect fit. You'll be helping businesses stand out and engage their audience in meaningful ways. Or why not consider online tutoring? If you have expertise in a particular subject, this is a great way to share your knowledge and earn income. You'll be helping students excel in their studies while working from the comfort of your home. Personal training is another lucrative idea. If fitness is your passion, you can provide training services either in person or virtually. You'll be helping individuals meet their fitness goals and lead healthier lives. And let's not forget about event planning. If you have a knack for organization and a keen eye for detail, you could assist in planning everything from small parties to large corporate gatherings. You'd make dreams come true and ensure memorable moments for your clients. Next up, home cleaning services. Starting a residential cleaning business offers a reliable income and the chance to make homes sparkle. It's a service always in demand and can bring a sense of satisfaction and accomplishment. Freelance writing is another excellent option. If you have a way with words, you could lend your skills to businesses in need of website content, articles, or marketing materials. It's a flexible option that allows you to work from anywhere. Or consider a mobile car wash and detailing service. Providing this service at customers' locations offers convenience and quality in one package. It's a business idea with the potential for high customer satisfaction and repeat business. Finally, if you're crafty, consider selling homemade crafts. Whether it's jewelry, candles, or artwork, your creations could find a home on online platforms or at local markets. It's a chance to turn your passion into profit. Remember, the key to any successful business is passion, dedication, and a willingness to learn. So, whether it's dropshipping, content creation, or event planning, find what suits you best and start your journey to entrepreneurial success today.